orchestra is fading low, the midnight crowd is gone. Your lipstick on the crystal glass still lingers after dawn. The waiters stack the empty chairs, the neon starts to dim. But darling, every little thing still reminds me of him. So I wish you love tonight, soft as candlelight. May your dreams stay sweet and slow through every lonely night. May the stars shine warm above and every bluebird sing. Oh darling, if I can't have you, I still wish you everything. I hope your mornings smell like rain on old Parisian streets, and every song the radio plays brings your heart some peace. I hope somebody holds your hand when winter winds appear and whispers all the tender words I used to say, my dear. The trumpet softly cries, and though we danced our last slow dance, love never truly dies. So I wish you love always, golden cafe days, velvet nights and champagne dreams in smoky cabaret haze. And if someday you think of me when the moon is high above, just know across the lonely stars, I still wish you love. The rain came down on Broadway lights, the taxis hum through velvet nights. I sat alone with one last drink, trying not to think. Then through the smoke and chandelier glow, you smiled at me so sweet and slow. And suddenly the band began playing our song again. So get happy tonight, my darling, come dance beneath the moonlit blue. Let the old jazz softly guide us like lovers used to do. Forget the lonely hours behind us, leave every little worry far away. Hold me close till morning.